Chances are you're probably busy enough with your work, your life, and everything else going on. Lots of people tell us they would like to start investing or get more into it, but they just don't have the free time. Here's the thing, better investing doesn't have to take a lot of time. That's where idealists come in. What are idealists? These are curated lists of the very best stocks in the market at the time. Think of it as a stock research shortcut. Our algorithms pick the best stocks for you. It's objective, unemotional, and data driven. Once you're on MarketSmith homepage, click on the research tools and select the idealist option. Or you can directly click on the idealist button here. To give you a quick glance, first thing you will notice here is the model portfolio section. These are the stocks handpicked by our experts. Current holdings are the stocks that we are still holding in the portfolio. Actionable buys are the stocks that our experts have handpicked and currently in buying zone. You can also see the recently added or removed stocks in the recent additions and recent removals section. Not enough. See the stocks that our analysts are watching in buy watch list and sell watch list sections. Coming down, Growth 50 section quickly allows you to see the top 50 growth stocks in India. This is an algorithmically generated list based on strong fundamental and technical characteristics. The list gets updated on a weekly basis. Similar to the model portfolio section, you can also see the recently added or removed stocks in the recent additions and recent removals section. Near buy point are the stocks that are just breaking out of a chart pattern or nearing a buy point. Further down, MarketSmith Stock Screens section gives you quick access to more than 20 stock lists, again based on a time-tested quantitative criteria. To give you some examples, you see all the stocks that are currently outperforming the market in the blue dot list. You can see what other top investors in India are holding on the top Indian investors lists. Stocks that are breaking out of a chart pattern or forming a base can be found in our breakout today or near pivot list. There are many other lists based on our quantitative ratings and rankings such as EPS rank, RS rank, master score, etc. If you want to trade like a market veteran like Mark Minervini, the trend template 1 month and 5 months helps you doing that. Under the Market tab, you can find out the top performing industry groups and indices along with other market-related screens. Ever wondered what stocks legendary investors like Warren Buffett or Peter Lynch would pick if he was investing in India today? Our Guru Screens does that work for you. That's not enough. Now you can create your own screen too. To create your own screen, click on Filter India Stocks under Build Your Screen. Go to top right hand corner and click on Filter. Now select the metrics and criteria from different categories of metrics and click on Apply Filter. On the functionality side, all the lists under Idea Lists have same set of functionality. You can choose to see the lists either in a mini chart view or a tabular view. If you want to add any metrics to the view, you can do that by clicking on Edit Columns. You can also sort the stocks by clicking on the column header. If you wish to download the list, click on the Export option. Finally, to save the list for future analysis or reference, click on the List option, give the list a name, and the list will be saved under My Lists. The My Lists section also allows you to see the stocks that you liked, disliked, or marked as a favorite stock. This page also offers you quick access to our other products such as TraderSmith, AlgoSmith, US Frog, or Portfolio Evaluation. If you are a short-term swing trader, you can explore TraderSmith. Or if you want to keep everything systematic and rule based, you can explore our portfolios in AlgoSmith. US Frog is a portfolio of US stocks. Similarly, if you wish to see how you are doing in terms of stock picking, managing risk reward, or keeping emotions at check, you can evaluate your portfolio using portfolio evaluation.